Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I have a bit of a new direction for the project, and I don't know too much about this drivetrain, so I'm kind of counting on you guys to help me out with this. And this is for the 1989 Mustang over there. So if you're new to the channel, we've been doing a resto mod, and I've been looking for an engine and just haven't been having really great luck. So a friend of mine reached out and said, you know what, I got this motor for you, and it's a little bit different. Again, it's outside of my comfort zone, so I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to this, but you know, a lot of my friends are really into type of drivetrain, so I wanted to reveal the motor that he sold to me today. Yeah, we're gonna do an EV, and this is an EV motor. He promised me it's a Tesla motor, and we're gonna do the swap. So screw it, let's reveal it. Drum roll. He assures me that it makes 400 horsepower. All right. Sorry, that was a really stupid joke. Happy April, everybody. I am actually looking at a couple different motors, actual internal combustion engines, but yeah, I'm not against EVs. EVs are great. Actually, I'm thinking about getting an EV soon as well. Yeah, so before you take to the comments and destroy me. So, happy April. Hope to have an actual update for you soon. See you later. Terrible joke, terrible joke. It would be pretty cool if they made like a Mach-E swap though for Fox bodies, right? Like the entire subframe that you can just plug in, and it would have the suspension, the brakes, and like the illuminator motor you can just plug in. That'd be pretty cool. Maybe one for the front too, optionally.
Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I have a bit of a new direction for the project, and I don't know too much about this drivetrain, so I'm kind of counting on you guys to help me out with this.